To our dear parents and guardians in the bleachers, look at us, our graduates. We are the products of your prayers and hard work. There were days when we were probably difficult to talk to because of lots of stress. But please know that every achievement we hold today belongs to you as much as it does to us. Those smiles you see on our faces, you put them there through every sacrifice you made to keep us in this school.
As the University President of the University of St. Louis Tuguegarao, I now confirm you, junior high school completers of batch 2025-2026. Congratulations!
To our teachers and administrators, thank you for being the steady hands that guided us through the storm. You saw the potential in us even when we couldn't see it in ourselves. You did not just teach us subjects, you taught us how to show up every day even in the hardest time of our lives.
Time is dancing in the endless sky, racing the constellations, knowing where the days are going. So we watch them fly, watch us fly. We are the young ones with the heart of fire. We are the sun, we are the sun. Feel it under the open sky. Hearts beat and become alive. Oh, we have it all the colors burning bright, everything in golden light. Oh, we have it all.
My fellow completers, as we move up today, remember this. Moving up isn't just about a certificate or a ceremony. It's about the fact that no matter what life threw us this year, the heartbreaks, the academic pressure, the distance from our beloved home, we are still here, standing, smiling. We have turned our obstacles into our stepping stones. Once again, with one heart and one soul, Carpe Diem, seize the day. This is your moment, dear parents and graduates. Welcome to University of St. Louis Tuguegarao.
We have